Hey guys, I'm Rachel and this is the Change Checker YouTube channel. Are you new here? Welcome to the channel if you are. Now settle in as I'm going to tell you a little bit about us and all of the fun things that we get up to here. If you like what you see, then why not hit that subscribe button to make sure you're not missing out. So here at Change Checker, you'll find a whole host of coin-related content, perfect for those of you who might be new to the hobby and for the avid numismatist alike. Not only are there some great opportunities to get involved with regular competitions and giveaways, but we also share all the information you need to know about UK coins and to discover how rare the coins in your pocket really are. We love getting involved in the YouTube coin collecting community and collaborating with coin tubers. If you're a coin tuber and you'd like to collab with us, be sure to get in touch. Maybe you could even take us on for one of our legendary coin hunts, where we hunt down the rarest commemorative coins from a set bank bag. You really never know which coins you're going to come across, so these videos are always full of surprises. But if you're looking for a quick roundup of the latest coin news and information, why not check out our monthly newsletter to keep you up to date? Head over to our playlist section now for a quick catch up on last month's news. So now you know a bit more about us, it's time to hit that button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to make sure you never miss a video from us, go ahead and hit that bell too. See you in the next video, Change Checkers.